Good day everyone, welcome to Mathspedia. Today we'll be solving a question from WAEC 2026, the objective question number 1. So now what does the question say? For what values of m is this expression not defined? Now when we say not defined, what do we mean? Not defined simply means undefined, and an expression is said to be undefined if f of x, that's the expression, is divided by 0, something like this. So in this situation, our denominator here is 3m squared minus 2m minus 5, so it must be equal to what? 0. So that's the only way the expression can be undefined. So what do we do here? Our first step, we are going to what? Factorize. So factorization entails that I multiply these two, it gives me minus 15m squared. So I'm going to look for two factors of minus 15m squared that if I combine them together, it will give me minus 2m, and that is minus 5m plus 3m. Minus 5m plus 3m. So that will give us 3m squared. Instead of minus 2m, I'm going to write minus 5m plus 3m, then minus 5 equals to 0. So I'm going to factorize like this. So that will give me, okay, I'm going to exchange it because there's nothing that can go here. This will give me 3m squared. I'm going to bring this here plus 3m minus 5m minus 5. So what is common to both of them? That is 3m. So we are left with 3m and 3m squared m plus 1 minus, what is common to both of them? It is minus 5. Minus 5 and 5m, that is m plus 1 equals to 0. So we continue and we arrive at 3m, that's what is outside, minus 5. Then what is common to both of them? M plus 1 equals to 0. So our final answer is going to give us, is either 3m minus 5 equals 0 or m plus 1 equals 0. So if 3m minus 5 equals 0, what are we going to have? 3m minus 5 equals 0. 3m is equals to 5. That is m equals to 5 over 3. And if m plus 1 is equals to 0, our m equals to minus 1. So our final answer is going to give us m equals to minus 1 and 5 over 3. And that is option D. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and we'll see in the next video. Thank you.